Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2011 Ford Focus LX hatch, stock reference number 4492. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 7th month 2011. It has an FWD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle has black cloth interior. We have the right power door mirror. Grey leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack Sony CD player, left hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.